Hello everyone and welcome to the second part of learning the expression to like in Hebrew, the expression למצוא חן בעיני. I remind you that למצוא חן בעיני is translated literally to find charm in the eyes of, and this is how we express that we like something in Hebrew. Something finds charm in our eyes. This is how we will express if I like it, I don't like it. If I like it, it finds charm in my eyes. If I don't like it, it doesn't find charm in my eyes. Nevertheless, in this lesson, we're going to learn how do we say this expression in the future tense. For that, we will need to conjugate the verb למצוא in the future tense. The verb למצוא in the future tense. אני אמצא, אתה תמצא, את תמצאי, הוא ימצא, היא תמצא, אנחנו נמצא, אתם תמצאו, אתן תמצאו, הם ימצאו, הן ימצאו. Once again, אני אמצא, אתה תמצא, את תמצאי, הוא ימצא, היא תמצא, אנחנו נמצא, אתם תמצאו, אתן תמצאו, הם ימצאו, הן ימצאו. בעיני, I remind you, is in my eyes. בעיני. בעיניך is in your eyes, masculine singular. בעיניך. בעינייך, in your eyes, feminine singular. בעינייך. בעיניו, in his eyes. בעיניו. בעיניה, in her eyes. בעיניה. בעינינו, in our eyes. בעינינו. בעיניכם, in your eyes, masculine plural. בעיניכן, in your eyes, feminine plural. בעיניהם, in their eyes, masculine plural. בעיניהן, in their eyes, feminine plural. And now we need to learn the verb to be sure in Hebrew. להיות בטוח. אני בטוח, אתה בטוח, הוא בטוח. אני בטוחה, את בטוחה, היא בטוחה. אנחנו בטוחים, אתם בטוחים, הם בטוחים, אנחנו בטוחות, אתן בטוחות, הן בטוחות. בטוח, בטוחה, בטוחים, בטוחות. To be sure. To worry. לדאוג. We're going to learn just the imperative, how to say don't worry. ציווי. אל תדאג. Don't worry. When we're addressing a man. אל תדאג. אל תדאגי. When we're addressing a woman. אל תדאגי. אל תדאגו. Don't worry. When we're addressing a group of people. אל תדאג. אל תדאגי. אל תדאגו. So once again, you're going to see a sentence in front of you in English. You're going to see two sentences in front of you. The first sentence will be the way that we would properly say that in English. The second sentence will be how we literally translate it to Hebrew. So every time you're going to see those sentences, pause the video and then try to say it out loud in Hebrew. After you done so, play the video and see if you get it right. If you didn't get it right, write down in your notebooks and then rewatch the video until you will be able to say the sentence correctly on your first try. I think she will like me. I think that I will find charm in her eyes. אני חושב שאני אמצא חן בעיניה. I also think that she will like you. I also think that you will find charm in her eyes. אני גם חושב שאתה תמצא חן בעיניה. Don't worry, she will like you. Don't worry, you will find charm in her eyes. אל תדאג, אתה תמצא חן בעיניה. Are you sure that she will like me? Are you sure that I will find charm in her eyes? אתה בטוח שאני אמצא חן בעיניה? I'm sure she will like you. I'm sure that you will find charm in her eyes. אני בטוח שאתה תמצא חן בעיניה. I think he will like me. I think I will find charm in his eyes. אני חושבת שאני אמצא חן בעיניו. I also think that he will like you. I also think that you will find charm in his eyes. אני גם חושבת שאת תמצאי חן בעיניו. Don't worry, he will like you. Don't worry, you will find charm in his eyes. אל תדאגי, את תמצאי חן בעיניו. Are you sure he will like me? Are you sure that I will find charm in his eyes? את בטוחה שאני אמצא חן בעיניו? I'm sure he will like you. I'm sure you will find charm in his eyes. אני בטוחה שאת תמצאי חן בעיניו. Don't worry, you will like me. Don't worry, I will find charm in your eyes. אל תדאג, אני אמצא חן בעיניך. I'm sure I will like you. I'm sure you will find charm in my eyes. אני בטוח שאת תמצאי חן בעיניי. Don't worry, you will like me. Don't worry, I will find charm in your eyes. אל תדאגי, אני אמצא חן בעינייך. I'm sure I will like you. I am sure you will find charm in my eyes. אני בטוחה שאתה תמצא חן בעיניי. I hope you will like me. I hope that I will find charm in your eyes. אני מקווה שאמצא חן בעיניכם. Don't worry, we will like you. Don't worry, you will find charm in our eyes. אל תדאג, אתה תמצא חן בעינינו. I hope you will like me. I hope that I will find charm in your eyes. אני מקווה שאמצא חן בעיניכן. Don't worry, we will like you. Don't worry, you will find charm in our eyes. אל תדאגי, את תמצאי חן בעינינו. I hope they will like Yossi. I hope Yossi will find charm in their eyes. אני מקווה שיוסי ימצא חן בעיניהם. I am sure they will like Yossi. I am sure that Yossi will find charm in their eyes. אני בטוח שיוסי ימצא חן בעיניהם. Don't worry, they will like Yossi. Don't worry, Yossi will find charm in their eyes. אל תדאג, יוסי ימצא חן בעיניהם. I hope they will like Michal. I hope that Michal will find charm in their eyes. אני מקווה שמיכל תמצא חן בעיניהן. I am sure they will like Michal. I am sure that Michal will find charm in their eyes. אני בטוחה שמיכל תמצא חן בעיניהן. Don't worry, they will like Michal. Don't worry, Michal will find charm in their eyes. אל תדאגי, מיכל תמצא חן בעיניהן. We think he will like us. We think we will find charm in his eyes. אנחנו חושבים שאנחנו נמצא חן בעיניו. We hope he will like us. We hope we will find charm in his eyes. אנחנו מקווים שאנחנו נמצא חן בעיניו. We're not sure that he will like us. We're not sure that we will find charm in his eyes. אנחנו לא בטוחים שנמצא חן בעיניו. Don't worry, he will like you guys. Don't worry, you will find charm in his eyes. אל תדאגו, אתם תמצאו חן בעיניו. We are sure that he will like you guys. We are sure that you will find charm in his eyes. אנחנו בטוחים שאתם תמצאו חן בעיניו. We think we will like them. We think they will find charm in our eyes. אנחנו חושבים שהם ימצאו חן בעינינו. We hope we will like them. We hope that they will find charm in our eyes. אנחנו מקווים שהם ימצאו חן בעינינו. We're not sure if we will like them. We're not sure that they will find charm in our eyes. אנחנו לא בטוחים שהם ימצאו חן בעינינו. Don't worry, you will like them. Don't worry, they will find charm in your eyes. אל תדאגו, הם ימצאו חן בעיניכם. Are you sure we will like them? Are you sure they will find charm in our eyes? אתם בטוחים שהם ימצאו חן בעינינו? We are sure you will like them. We are sure that they will find charm in your eyes. אנחנו בטוחים שהם ימצאו חן בעיניכם. So that's it for the second part of how to say to like in Hebrew. In the first part we covered how to say I like, I didn't like in the past and in the present tense, and in this part we learned how to use this expression in the future tense. I hope that you found this video educating. If you like this video, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to my channel, and click on the notification bell so you won't miss any of my videos. And write down in the comment sections what was the most difficult part about this exercise. And I'll see you guys next time. Shalom ve להתראות.